Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Looking for a basic surround sound speaker system? Logitech Z606 is a compact system with front, rear, and center speakers, along with a subwoofer, which the speakers are wired to, and Bluetooth connectivity. 160 watts of sound total, and you can find the system for under $130. As a replacement for built-in TV or computer monitor speakers, the Z606 setup is a definite upgrade, but the wired speakers may not be practical in some situations, and the lack of optical and HDMI inputs is another minus. On the plus side, the sound, given the relatively low price, is pretty decent, and you can switch easily between Bluetooth and wired inputs. For more, head to Logitech.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.